Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making easy sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Alright, I'm starting on a large skillet I have preheated. And I'm going to add in a pound of ground breakfast sausage. And I'm going to get this nice and browned up and broken up. Alright, now that my sausage is browned up, and it didn't put off much grease. If you use a greasier sausage, you won't have to do this. I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil. And so now I'm going to add in a quarter of a cup of flour. And I'm going to allow that flour to cook in there for a minute to get out the flour taste. Now that I allow my flour to cook to get the flour taste out of it, I have my heat turned down on low. I'm going to add in 2.5 cups of milk. And I'm stirring this in slow so it doesn't curdle because this is cold milk. And I'm going to season this. Now you would normally season this with a little salt, pepper, garlic powder. I'm just using my go-to seasoning, Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. I'm going to start by putting in about a tablespoon. I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil and allow it to simmer until it starts to thicken. Then I'll taste it and see if it needs more seasoning. My sausage gravy is done. You can see it's nice and thick. I had to add a little more seasoning to it. Like I said, it's all to taste. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I'm serving this with refrigerated canned biscuits, but you can make homemade biscuits if you feel ambitious enough. That's why this is easy sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Let me get in here and try this. Gravy's creamy with a good sausage flavor, well seasoned. Biscuits are light and fluffy. Guys, that's really easy, really delicious. Easy sausage, gravy, and biscuits. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.